If you want to remove the Squarespace header from a specific page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to hide the header so you can create a clean, distraction-free landing page. This is really useful if you're building a sales page, a coming soon page, or any page where you want the content to stand on its own. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tips. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section and click on to Pages. This is where all of your site pages are listed, and it's also where you can control page-specific settings. Now find the exact page where you want to remove the header. When you hover your cursor over that page name, you'll see a small gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon to open the page settings. A settings panel will pop up, and on the left side of that panel, you'll see different tabs and options for the page. Click on the navigation tab. This is where Squarespace lets you control the visibility of the header and footer for that page. Inside the navigation settings, locate the toggle switch labeled Show Header. By default, this is usually turned on, which means your header is visible on the page. To remove it, simply switch Show Header off. If you also want the page to look completely blank and distraction-free, you can turn off Show Footer as well. This is a great option for landing pages, custom funnels, or minimalist designs where you do not want the footer to appear either. Once you've made those changes, make sure to click Save in the top left corner of the window. This is important because if you don't save, your header changes won't apply. After saving, go preview the page to confirm the header is gone. You should now see a much cleaner layout with no header at the top and no footer if you turn that off too. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Squarespace header from your page. It only takes a few clicks, and now you know how to create a more focused page layout whenever you need one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tutorials and website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.